Page 26, Pilot in the Clouds. Here they're talking about posture and all. You should always have good posture. Just sit up. Be relaxed, but sit up. Good posture. And keep your hands curved, not grabbing a ball or anything. Just relax. They'll curve by themselves. That's fine. Now there's 2 lines to this. And they're not done together. They're done one line at a time. But they want you to go up the keyboard. Like the first one is treble clef. That's going to be right hand. You're starting here and you're playing every other note. Then go up one note. You keep doing this all the way up to C. Here, you're just going up the keyboard. You're doing the same thing in the second line with the left hand, except now you're starting a middle C and you're going down. Every other note. Here. All the way down to C. Here. That's what this is about. The idea is the notes involved at the beginning. All the notes in that first measure. Here. This pattern, every other note, is important in music. You're going to get it a lot. And this feeling of this going up is really important in music. So you want to develop a feel for that. You'll learn to recognize it in the music because it's like, first one, they're all on lines. The lines are next to each other. And then spaces, and the spaces are next to each other. That's how you know it there. So it's easy to see the pattern in the music, and you want to just develop that feel of every other note. Or here, play them all at the same time. Just lowering the hand down. I'm not aiming 3 fingers. I have the finger in that position, I'll lower the hand down. I'll let the wrist collapse a little bit each time. And they get the mezzo forte, and they say steady. Always be steady. Steady doesn't mean anything. How fast do you want to be steady? Steady. I can't say the word study or steady. Okay. Now remember, I'm passing weight from finger to finger. I'm walking. It doesn't matter which fingers are used. I'm just walking. I'm just passing here. I'm passing weight to this finger. Now this finger. Now this going back down. And here. I'm just passing weight from finger to finger. That's all I'm doing. I'm not holding the hand still and trying to use the fingers. I really don't recommend it. Not on modern pianos. It doesn't. Hundreds of years ago, it worked fine on those instruments, but those were different instruments, not today's instruments. Now remember, as you go up and down, your wrist is going to, or your hand is going to change its position with the keyboard, and it's important you get accustomed to that. So here I'm this way, up here I'm this way. It feels different. So be aware of that. Let's play this together slowly and make sure you have the notes and the rhythms. I'm going to do the right hand first, and then I'm going to count us in again. I'm going to do the left hand, and I'll give us 4 counts because we're in 4/4 time. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Off. Left hand. Here we go again. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4.